Yeah. All right. So today is Monday, and the Monday, oh yeah, after that big Friday, the question is Monday going to be a pullback or continuation of the dump? My prediction is we go sideways because that's what we've always done. Every time we create a new low, we just go sideways. So, yeah, I don't really expect much, but I am here and I am waiting to see how the market is going to move. The problem here is buyers really showed up on, what was it? They showed up on Friday. So the question is, did they blow their wad? Did they blow their wad on Friday and we're just going to dump today? That's the question you have to ask yourself. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear in the background, but the cat is crying, I guess. I don't know, just meowing. I don't know if you want to call it crying. So yeah, today is going to be the best day ever because we're going to find out that buyers below their wad or are they going to show up a second day? Yeah. So let me just check something here. I mean, I'm still going to day trade, but for swing trades, I need to see that this is going to be real, right? This is real. We're going to hold here. We're not going to tank lower. Bitcoin is not exactly looking good here. It's already down 2%. That's not normal, by the way. We shouldn't be dropping 2% right off the bat. I don't know if you can hear the cat. All right. All right. I don't know if you could hear the cat, but I put the mic up to his mouth, but maybe not. Maybe the mic does not collect cat meows. Yeah, that's the big question for today. Him stock, by the way, that's sold off. That's getting destroyed. Hims, for those of you who don't know, is one of Joey Shaw's favorites. One of Joey Shaw's favorites. He loves that one. He was trying to convince me to buy it, and I'm like, I'm not buying that. I am not buying that garbage. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My cat is stepping all over my everything. Uh-oh. You're going to see a lot of U's. And he's stepping on the G's and the 7VB. What's up, buddy? He's headbutting the mic. But yeah. Yeah, I'm watching Riot closely because that's the one I day trade. Red so far on the left hand side. I see a lot of red on our stock picks. So that was the concern. If Bitcoin starts going down 3%, it's probably going to head to 5% and then possibly more. You know, this is why I didn't buy any swing trade positions on Friday because I'm like, well, if I buy and this thing tanks, it continues to tank, then what's the point? Let's wait and see if we get a little more of a pump. Oh my God, the cat's stepping all over everything. He's stepping all over everything. I don't know if you guys see all the bees. He's stepping all over my setup today. Yeah, I bought 200 shares of Riot here at 14.05. If it dumps, it dumps. Don't care. This is already a good price. The stock was at $24. It's literally $10 off already. So, if you guys don't know, the best time to day trade is when everything's, nice and cheap. Day trading near highs, hoping it goes higher, you just never know when the top is going to be in. And he's just, wow, he's just typing in a lot of J's. No, that's just a semicolon. Wow, he's giving it the semicolon some work right now. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. He's in a mood today. He's in a mood today. Funny enough, APLD is up 3%. Why is that up? Well, good. If APLD is moving, then we should see Riot Stock move. It's already moving. I need Riot Stock to move. Riot Stock can move like 20 cents, so we can make like a quick 40 bucks. Maybe I'll shoot for 50. Yeah, 25-cent move. Shoot for 50 bucks real quick. 50 bucks. Let's shoot for 50 bucks in like 15 minutes. That's a good number. 50 bucks in 15 minutes. We rinse and repeat that a couple of times, and we'll walk away with 200 a day. 200 a day is 1,000 a week. That's $4,000 a month from just day trading. That's $48K a year. That is what the math. At least that's the goal for the Discord. That's always the goal, is 200 a day day trading. That does not include the swing trades, of course. That's where the big bucks are really made. But yeah, I'm setting a sell limit of, sell limit of 14.30. So if that hits, we should make a quick, probably the fastest 50 bucks ever. Yeah, if that hits right now, that would be what would that be? That would be like 50 bucks in like what, 3 minutes? No. Yeah, it would no, not yet. I can't do anything, by the way, guys. If you're wondering like why I'm not moving the cursor, it's because the cat just sat down on my laptop. So, for right now, it's the Riot Show while we wait for it to hit that $50 limit, so we can make a quick buck. It's almost there. It's at 24. Come on. It's like, come on, let's go, hit it. Let's hit that 14.30. This is volatile enough. It should be able to hit it. APLD is headed towards 40 today. That would be crazy. After how cheap it got. It's almost there, guys. 4 more cents. Come on. Let's make 50 bucks in 5 minutes. 50 bucks in 5 minutes. Come on. Come on. Come on, it's almost there. Come on, 3 more cents. You can do this. 3 more cents. I bet you it's not going to make it. That's happened to me before, where it comes up and it doesn't, my sell limit doesn't hit. And I'm just like, oh, really? It didn't hit by 1 cent? 2 cents? Really? I can't check the 1 minute time frame either, because the cat's like right on top of my laptop. Almost there. Come on, hit that 30. There we go. Boom. My sell limit hit. And we made a quick 50 bucks in 4 minutes. Because I sent the alert at 8:36 a.m. So 50 bucks and yeah, just day trading Riot Stock here. Quick 50 bucks in what was it? 4 minutes? That's crazy. That's crazy. Who hit like Fergulus? I think Fergulus is probably like, hell yeah. Because I think he has a big account. He goes in with like, he probably made like 300 bucks right now. Because some people go in with more shares. But this is easy. Like I said, in the Discord, we shoot for 200 a day. 200 a day, 48K a year. Just off of day trading. The only thing that sucks about day trading is I have to sit here watching like a hawk. Shout out to Jeff in the Discord. He just sent me a message. He's like, yeah, I bought Riot too. I think people already forgot that Riot has an AMD data center infrastructure deal. So it's been behaving. It's not, how do I say this? It's been behaving more like APLD than a Bitcoin miner, if that makes sense. Which is good, because that means we can day trade the hell out of it. I already liked Riot Stock because of how volatile it was from being a Bitcoin miner. But if it's going to start following APLD in terms of price action, I mean, that's going to be beautiful. All right, let me see if I can get the cat out of here. Going to give him a good push. A friendly push. A nice push. Pow, 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 pow. You shall not pass. Okay, there you go. He's out. Let me Put him back in his cage. All right, cool. He's just gonna sit there and play with his paws. Wow, he almost changed it to second screen. Extend. I don't know what the hell he did here. All right, so okay, we're back, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. Hey, look, we sold near the top. Maybe, who knows? Let me check the 15-second. Is there no 15-second time frame? I'm not. Oh, I need to update Mubu to get the 15-second time frame. Let me update it real quick. Let me update it real quick. Good morning, Shades. No sound. I am waiting right now. Yeah, shout out to Randy. I just looked at the messages right now. I'm updating Mumu, so that's happening. All right, we're back in business, guys. We're back in business. Let me see. What happened to Riot? By the way, every stock right here on my watch list is a buy. GRNY, ONDS, Red Wire, NVTS, Palantir, Calls, Leaps 2028, Rich Tech Robotics, a little riskier if you want to go for that one. You got Soundhound. I mean, APLD, look at that. It's already, what the hell? Why is this moving? Is this how it moves in a bear market, in a crash? It just decides to go kaboom? That's what it's doing right now. It's just going kaboom. It's not even like... When that thing dips, you just gotta buy. You can't even try and time that. Let me check Rich Tech Robotics. Now, do we have the 15-second time frame here? Well, why is there no 15-second time frame on this? So strange. I swear there was a 15-second time frame. Did they remove it over the weekend? All right, let's go back to... Let's look at Soundhound here. Let me just check. Riot... I'm going to have to go to my phone here real quick and check the 15-second time frame on Riot. Because we don't got a 15-second time frame here on my laptop for some reason. Where is Riot? Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. I just need the purple line. Boom, we're good. Okay, so if Riot comes down, if it comes down to like 14, 16, we should buy back in. I think we're gonna go sideways. For those of you who have been asking, like, what do you think the market's gonna do? I think we're gonna go sideways. That's all there is really. It's just gonna be sideways. No sound. That's probably you, Mr. 488. You're probably dumb. He probably had to like he probably had his on mute or something stupid, I'm sure. Okay, now I'm logging in. All right. Palantir Leaps, not a bad idea here. I'm probably gonna buy. Wait, no. I'll buy one Nvidia Leap today. Where's Nvidia? Oh hell no! Nvidia already ran away. That thing already ran away. It's already coming back up for my shares at 187.5. I guess nah. I thought this thing. I should have bought Leaps, I guess, down here, but whatever. It is what it is. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Where's Riot? Oh, hell yeah. We got the 15-second time frame here. There we go. Look at that 15-second time frame. Beautiful. Beautiful. Welcome to Shades Day Trading. I already told you guys to buy long. If you're going to buy long, this is the time. NVTS, Palantir Leaps, ONDS. There's a bunch of them. RR, APLD Sound. Every stock I've ever talked about. Probably a buy here. After that huge discount, hell yeah, it's a buy. Uh, Trucker Jeff just sent me a message. Hey, are you buying APOD? Hell no. I still have sold puts on APOD. So if and they didn't get called away because it actually went above 31. If APOD goes down, no, goes up to 40 plus, I can buy back the sold puts for a profit. Actually, funny enough, so I'll still make money off of APOD. I'll still bank off of APOD one way or another. All right. I'm waiting for Riot to come down a little bit. I need it to come down to that purple line real quick, right here. Let me see. I mean, you got buy ratings of 20, 30, 23, 23. Yeah, if you want the big play, Palantir Leaps would not blame you right now. Palantir Leaps would not blame you right now. The thing is, I already have a swing trade position on Soundhound. So I don't like. Well, I'm not gonna have two swing trade positions. I'm good. I already have Soundhound. Soundhound's my big pick. You know, a lot of these stocks dropped a lot. They're gonna go back up to 15 plus, 10 plus, whatever, and 7 plus, whatever the case may be, and it's gonna be a money printer. But for now, what can I do? I just gotta focus on getting in and getting the hell out. Literally, that's all I can do. You gotta be able to adapt like that. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. We're just waiting for our signal. In the meantime, let me just see something. Oops, I just did something stupid. Waiting on the signal right now. Yeah, Palantir Leaps right now. If you got the money, Palantir Leaps. That thing dropped from 200 to 140. That is a ridiculous drop. The amount of money that's going to be made on Leaps 2028 on the way back up is going to be insane. I'm probably not going to buy any right now. I'm going to focus on I'm focusing on Riot stock. I like SoFi too. I might add 100 shares of SoFi. We'll see. I'm going to wait till end of day to see how we move. Because the biggest concern you need to have right now is Bitcoin itself. Yeah, the biggest concern you have to have is Bitcoin itself. If Bitcoin starts tanking, it's gonna bring everything. It's gonna bring everything down again. We've already seen that happen. Yeah, we've already seen that happen. So it's like it's cool that we're seeing some stocks green, but it's very concerning that Bitcoin cannot get above 70K. It needs to get above 70K. It needs to hold above it too. Um, but either way, the fact that Soundhound is green, APLD is big green. I'm telling you right now, bull market, SoFi, Soundhound, APLD, they're going to outperform. I'm confident about those three, like those three for sure. NBTS is red, so the fact that that's red and Rich Robotics is red, even Riot is red, but the fact that the other ones are green, APLD especially, I think that thing is going to surprise people. People just they don't, right now everything looks bad, oh no. I think APLD goes to 100, easy, and then from there, 125, 150, then 200. It's going to happen. That's the next Palantir right there. I don't know about NUAI. I don't know about that one, but I heard good things about that one, but I'm not going to touch that. I'm not going to touch that garbage. I don't touch anything that's a penny stock. And it's literally a penny stock. Anything under $5 is considered a penny stock. So I stay away from these. You never know when they're going to gap down 30% or have a huge drop like this. It's just not worth it. This thing is, if it's a buy, it's at the purple line right here, around 330. People are going to say, oh no, it can't come down there. Well, here it came down from 7.4 to $2. So it absolutely can make that kind of move down. Absolutely it can. Don't ever think that it can't. Absolutely it can. It can absolutely make that kind of move. Yeah, you cannot get overconfident like that. Uh, yeah, I think today's gonna be. It's gonna be one of those days. It's gonna go sideways. I bet. You know what? Today's gonna be sideways. I'll have to call it there. There's no point in me streaming if we're just not gonna get much action. This smells like a sideways day. It's just got that smell to it. All right. Let's see if we get. See if we can get to. Let me just hit something real quick. All right. All right, guys. I will see you in the next one. There's not much. There's not much. It's until we, dude. I can't wait for a bull market because then it's gonna be awesome. Then I'm gonna be streaming and be like, hell yeah, buy this, buy that. Everything keeps going up, guys. Everyone's gonna be happy. Everyone's gonna get excited. But right now, the question is, did buyers blow their wad on Friday, and what's gonna happen today? I predict sideways action until we either create a new leg down and we crash again, or we're finally gonna bottom. It's one of those two. But right now, everything's a buy right now. If your favorite stock is down like 30-50% from highs, it's a good buy. As long as it's a stock that always recovers from a crash, obviously. If you're just buying garbage, whole nother story. But if you're buying good companies right now at this point, you're going to get rewarded in the future for your patience and for buying good companies. I'll leave it at that.